What's going on, guys? It's your boy B from Schmidt here, coming back at you with another update video. Just first off, I want to apologize to everybody for not being as active. Just got caught up in school and a bunch of other things, but I'm going to try and be more active and post videos bi-weekly. One thing is, it's kind of hard for me to get the video out in time for the next stock week, so all these trades and stuff that I'm showing on my account are definitely fluctuating, but I'm going to be making this update video week of March 15th. So taking a look at my current portfolio right now, we're sitting at $393.09. There's definitely, my portfolio did get hit hard by the whole volatility and stuff. As you can see right here on February 19th, we're sitting at $434. We're up $34 in the challenge. And as the volatility of the market and that little sell-off we had, just went down, all the way to $35, so I was down $70 at one point, almost $80. Then recently just started having a little uptrend, and we're at where we're at now. So give a quick insight on my whole strategy and stuff throughout that whole volatility. Definitely did buy a bunch of positions pretty high, and I decided it was in my best interest to sell off, which is just a strategy that I'm taking. I like to limit my losses and continue going on to the next one, but all those stocks pretty much kind of rebounded back to almost their original levels 30 weeks later. So we'll just take a look at that, some of the trades that I've made during that time. Guys, a quick rundown on some of the trades that I made. So back in January, sold AT&T for about 46 cents profit. Then I bought Canon, actually sold off at a loss of $3.92. Then we got kind of a little hot streak, so I got Virgin Galactic, sold it for a profit of $4.20. Then Workhorse, sold 2 shares at a profit of $8.12. Then I got Neo, sold that at a profit of $10.76. And then Bank of America, 2 shares at $3.02 profit. As you see right there, I kind of got on a little hot streak right there, just buying quick flips, just flipping things as quickly as possible. That is obviously a good strategy when the market is rising, but as you can see in the next coming trades, that market is not doing good and it's very volatile and just trending downward. You're really going to get bodied with the type of strategy that I'm going with here. So I'm definitely going to have to make some adjustments moving forward, but we will see when the time comes. But taking a look at some of the trades that I made, bought some Tesla fractional shares, $21, and sold it at a loss of $3.71. Taking a look at some other things, Fubo TV, $43.20. Market definitely dipped down in this stock, hasn't risen back. Lost about $7.52. Neo is another one I bought again, tried to make a little profit, but sold it off and I got a negative $9.12 return on that. ARK Fintech, ARK Kathy Wood, if you guys know that predominant hedge fund, was actually up $10 on this position, but I decided not to sell off. Or the whole market correction, they have Tesla, Square, Bitcoin, all that. All those stocks hit hard with the current tech correction, so decided to sell off. It's down, bought it at $62.90, went back down, went all the way down to $51.26, so I decided to sell off. One thing that I noticed about stocks is that stocks takes a lot to rise up, but they fall just as fast, but it's harder for the stocks to rise up over a period of time. It's they drop quicker than they rise, which in my whole theory is I'm just going to move on to the next. Take a look at the current portfolio. We're currently sitting at $393.97, and I'm currently down $6.03 in the challenge. Currently got $22.04 of cash on hand, and also just made my bi-weekly deposit last week, so next week we'll be having another $50 bi-weekly deposit. Looking at some of the current positions that I'm holding right now, I got 1 share Snapchat. So taking a look at my current positions that I'm holding right now in my portfolio, I got 1 share Snapchat, currently sitting at $63.10, up about 36 cents on this position, 0.57%. Snapchat, they did hit their peak at $70, I believe, after their earnings report, but I've been recently falling from the whole market correction and stuff like that. Hit a low of 52 and then rebounded back up to what it's at right now. Snapchat, I think they had a lot of potential for the future, especially our generation. Its whole dependency on Snapchat, and we use that to communicate with a lot of our peers. They just recently have a bunch of new features that they added to the app, which helps them monetize the app a little bit more than what they did before. So that's one thing good to see from Snapchat, that they're really investing into growth and making their app a lot more advertiser friendly and stuff like that. So that's definitely about the next position that I'm currently holding in this challenge. I'm currently holding 3 shares of Upwork, sitting at a price of $49.72. Got 3 shares, up about 7.12% on this position, total return about $10. This is a company that I ended up dollar cost averaging into. It's definitely a company that I really believe in. Dollar cost average into it when the whole little market correction. The next position that I have, I got 2 shares of MGM, currently sitting at a 6.36 return on that, up about $5. We know MGM Grand Resorts Casinos. This is a recovery stock play that I currently own, as we start to see the economy shift towards reopening. So I definitely believe this is a good company to hold on to when that time arises. Next company that I have, I got 1 share of AMD. This is the company that makes semiconductors. Definitely with the shortage, the industry to keep your eye on. So got 1 share of that, currently sitting at a 30 cents loss on that one, but just got into that position I think last week. So definitely gonna change up my strategy here, and be more consistent on this. You guys a little bit more updates on the challenge. But other than that, like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any comments or concerns or want to talk to me about stocks, always free to hit my DM. Also, I want to know if you guys want to see my other portfolio. So this is just the challenge portfolio. I have another one. It's my personal portfolio that I haven't really shared with you guys, but if you guys want to see it, just let me know, and it's probably something I'll look into. So with that being said, take care and stonks. Peace.